ODOT's maintenance and operations crews tackle the daily activities needed to keep Oregon's transportation system safe and open for travelers and freight 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We are here for the day-to-day needs, extreme weather events, and everything in between. When things go wrong, we're there to help. Through planned work and responding to incidents, our crews prioritize keeping highways open for safe travel. While you've likely seen our crews on the road, there's a lot that you don't see. A day in the life for maintenance crews can include repairing roads, shoulders, and sidewalks for a smoother ride, striping pavement so it's easier to see travel lanes, shoulders, bike lanes, and crosswalks, clearing ditches and drains to prevent flooding and damage to pavement, managing roadside vegetation to keep sightlines clear, hazards off the road, and reduce fire risk, painting, patching, and reinforcing bridges to safely extend their life and keep communities connected, and servicing traffic signals and signs to ensure travelers know what to expect on the road ahead and enhance pedestrian safety at crossings. During winter, it's all about keeping the roads as clear of snow and ice as possible. That includes laying down sand and gravel before a storm, applying salt and de-icer when and where it's needed most, or plowing snow or closing roads when it isn't safe to travel. Year-round, we respond to emergencies. From crashes to rockfalls, wildfires, and downed trees, we are often the first on the scene and the last to leave. Every mile traveled adds wear and tear to the system. Every package delivery, road trip, and school drop-off adds up over time. There's always something that needs fixing, and it's our job to take care of it. Everything we do to keep the system moving requires enough people and supplies to do the work safely. If the crew size is too small, we can't safely do the job. If we don't have the supplies, we can't do the job at all. Keeping the balance of immediate needs with ongoing maintenance work is a challenge we navigate every day. Responding to every crash, rock slide, wildfire, and flood pushes the general maintenance work like pothole repairs and painting down the list. And that's hard for us. We take pride in what we do. We know deferring maintenance increases the risk of future emergencies. The budget cuts we're facing will directly impact our ability to do our jobs safely. Our work will look different. It has to. Maintaining our roads provides better and safer experiences for all travelers. We deliver services statewide from the 88 communities we call home. Our families travel these roads. Our kids take buses on these highways. We take pride in our work because we live here too. ODOT's goal is the same as yours. We want you to get where you need to go safely.